How to add Google Tag Manager to your Wix website. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Tag Manager to your Wix website in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, make sure you already have your Google Tag Manager container ID. If you don't have it yet, head over to tagmanager.google.com, sign in, and create a new account to generate your container ID. Once you have your container ID, go to your Wix dashboard and log into your account. Now, from your Wix homepage, choose the website where you want to add your Google Tag Manager. If you don't see your site, click on All Sites at the top left and select the one you're working on. Once you're in the site dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side, scroll down, and click on Settings. Scroll all the way down until you see Marketing Integrations, and click on that. Now, look for the Google tag and click Connect. A new window will pop up asking you to enter your Google Tag Manager Container ID. Just follow the instructions given in here. First is set up the Google Tag ID. Next is add your Google Tag ID to your site. Once you have your container ID, paste it into the field, then click Save. Please note this only works if you have a premium Wix plan. It won't work on the free version. And that's it. You have successfully added Google Tag Manager to your Wix website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.